Hi, I'm Brian with SWS. I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your Yale door lock. This is the Yale touchpad with the key. This is what the back looks like. So this is the portion that is in the inside of the house. To change the batteries, notice the black screw up top. This is your battery compartment. So simply loosen the screw up top. It does not come out. Pull up on the battery compartment and remove the cover, and that will expose 4 AA batteries. We'll go ahead and remove those batteries. And replace them with 4 new ones. Door locks love premium batteries, so make sure you do not go with cheap batteries. You should hear the ring, and that way you know your batteries have been set correctly. Then go ahead and place the black cover on. You'll notice there's 2 little teeth up top that need to capture when you slide it down. Slide it down into place, and then tighten up your screw. And you're done.